Hello everyone, this is Steve with SoCal Property Sales, and today I'm very excited to bring to you Sean Hart. He's our trusted lender, and today Sean is going to tell us about the application process. So Sean, can you let us know what's involved in applying for a loan? What do we need to bring to you?
Well, Steve, it's actually pretty simple. Any pre-qualification or pre-approval starts at the application. Here we use online system, but we can also take it over the phone or in person if you would prefer that. Once that application is in our hands, we're going to want some financial documents. We're going to want pay stubs, we're going to want bank statements, we're going to want proof of income, whether you're self-employed or whether you're not. We're going to want just basic information on your financials. Once we've gathered all that, we're going to run a credit report and take all of that information, put it into our processing system and take a look at it. And we're going to look at that information and say, hey, do you know that you qualify for down payment assistance? Do you know that there's this program available or that program available, or are you a veteran? So once we work through all of that and come up with some loan programs, it's really very simple from that standpoint. We just take that information and trigger your loan.
That sounds easy enough. So Sean, after we apply and we give you all that information, how soon will you have some information back for us?
Well, I'm very thorough. I prefer to do as much work up front as possible. Mm-hmm. There's just no room for lazy loan officers in this industry anymore.
That's true.
You're going to put someone's deposit at risk. You're going to wind up in a lawsuit. You're going to hurt people if you don't do the thorough job. So I ask that please give us 24 hours, depending on volume and how much we have coming in at a time. But okay. I think that's a fair turnaround look at it this way. You want your doctor or you want your family lawyer or another professional that you trust to have integrity and to be trusted and to have accountability. I'm accountable to you. I'm accountable to the clients.
Yes.
And I have a license, and they're very hard to get, so I want to keep it. So
right.
So we want to take our time and do the right job for you the first time.
Even still, 24 hours is a great turnaround time.
That is short.
That's a short turnaround.
Many banks take weeks.
Right.
Yeah.
That's great information.
Many lenders take weeks, yeah.
Great information. Thank you for sharing that with us. If you have any questions, how do we get a hold of you?
Sean, the number 4 loans. SEAN, the number 4 loans, plural, @gmail.com.
That is easy to remember. Sean, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure, Steve. Thank you.
Thank you. And remember, who you work with matters.